Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock options on Etrade. First, ensure your Etrade brokerage account is approved for options trading. Options offer flexibility, allowing you to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying shares directly. Remember, each options contract usually controls 100 shares of the underlying security. We will cover the steps to place your first trade and manage your positions effectively. Before trading, it's crucial to grasp key terms. The strike price is your potential buy or sell point, and the expiration date marks the contract's end. The premium is what you pay for the option, influenced by factors like time and volatility. Understanding these elements helps you make informed decisions and manage your risk effectively in the options market. To place a trade, log into Etrade and find your desired stock. Then, select the Options tab to see available contracts. You'll choose a strike price, an expiration date, and whether it's a call or a put. Specify the number of contracts you want, remembering each represents 100 shares. Finally, select your order type, review all details carefully, and confirm your trade. Managing your options is key. You can close a position by selling your contract before it expires, ideally for a profit. If your option is in the money, you might choose to exercise it, which means buying or selling the underlying shares. Be aware that options can expire worthless if they are out of the money, so always monitor your positions closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.